Welcome back, everyone. Today we're grilling up some pork tenderloin. Let's get to it. Alright, for these pork tenderloins, we're going to marinate them in a simple, easy recipe that you can do in no time at all. Then we're going to hit them with a reverse sear. What we're going to do, 225 until those are hitting 130 degrees. Then we're going to sear them off in some screaming hot cast iron until they finish at about 145. Let them rest about 10 minutes. Then we're going to slice into them. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. Take care.